guys, good morning. Welcome to another weekly update, episode 83. So last week was Christmas, and this week now we are entering New Year. Okay, no, before New Year, today is actually this video will be going up on the 30th and the 31st is New Year, right? Okay, I just checked my phone right now. As you guys can see, this video will be going up on the 30th, and the Sunday that follow it's New Year on the 1st. This December month is 31st. So probably guys, Happy New Year to you. Let me wish you New Year first as you are watching this video. Happy New Year. In 2 days, it's New Year. So probably what we'll be doing this week, we are working on some particular bag. We are making some tiny baby bag. We make few last month and we sold some in our trade fair we attended in last week. Okay, before I show it in the video you guys saw last week, we make some and we sold it, and we are making few again for some particular clients we'll be sending to. And there are some trade fair we attend. Probably I don't know if I can just include that in this week update. I will try my best if I can include that. And there are few again we also attend, and I have a short clips on it. I don't know if it's going to possible for me to put it in this week update, or maybe next week I will be including it in some of the week update, or just like make a video about it and show you guys. So thank you for those of you who have been here about 4 years ago or 5 years ago. Let me say 4 years ago we started this channel. For those of you who have been here since then, we really appreciate you guys for being here and for the support. And for those of you who have subscribed, if each and every one of you who came to this channel to watch have subscribed to this channel, probably by today we should be around close to like 80,000. Or even more than that, or even what is 80,000? We should be very close to about more than even 500,000. But you know, as fate have it, not everyone that comes to your channel will subscribe, and not everyone that will come back. And again, some of those that visit your channels always come back to watch your video but are not subscribed to the channel. What can we do? It's their choice. If they decide to subscribe New Year tomorrow or next tomorrow, it's left for them. And if they decide not to subscribe forever, it's left for them, as long as they find something interesting on this channel and come back to always watch. Enough talking. Let me show you the few baby bag we are working on, and probably we are going to finish it this week. You know, I'm not doing this at the weekend, I'm doing it at the beginning of this week, and it's New Year. The video will be going on the 30th, and on the 1st is a new year. So probably before then we would have finished this on time lapse, and you guys are going to see it. Definitely, apart from the event I say we attended, I'm going to show you guys what we'll be working on at the small baby bag. So let me turn my camera now and show you guys, and that will be it. Thank you for watching. Don't also forget to subscribe, because New Year, a lot of things, interesting things are going to come up on the channel, and I don't think you want to miss that. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this video. Give this video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Share it with people you know it might be of help to them. And New Year, there are a lot of things coming which I don't want to announce then. Once it's time, we'll start announcing it, probably. And don't also forget, our training are pretty much still available and at an affordable price. By New Year, we are really changing our process of the online registration and physical registration, because I discovered that we've been working behind schedule and our prices are really low due to how things are in the market now and how things have gone up. Even data, what the data you subscribe monthly before, maybe like 40 gig, is not even up to a month again. Within 2 weeks you will have finished that, and we just need to upgrade some of our stuff. And now it will be difficult a little bit for us to make one on video. We make our video and we sell to each and everyone at an affordable price as well. So let me turn the camera. Enough talking. don't forget, like this video if you do enjoy this, which is giving it a very big thumbs up. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe, as interesting videos are going to come for you very soon, and tutorial on the channel. Bear with us, and thank you for those of you who have been here since day one. And probably by next year I'm going to make a video appreciating you guys and maybe doing a giveaway for you guys. So thank you, and I will see you at the continuation of the weekly update that I will proceed with the rest of the video we'll be making. See you at the other side. You love my smile. So talking about the portable bag, we are making the baby bags. As you can see, here are those, and I think we have 10 here we are trying to make. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Those are the ones we are making, and probably we have few we've made already. Like we have the silver, we have this hash, we have this nude, and we have this purple. We still have few. I need to show you again. You see, we have this green, this black, and another one. But the thing is that now we've redesigned it compared to the first one we show you. Then the first one we show you among them are these ones you can see. So this is the one you watch from the video, the last video I make. This one. So if you see, the one we are making now is a little bit more wider than it, just by some inch. Because if you check it from the side here, you see it's a little bit more wider than it, and I think the height are the same, but and on the side as well we increase the side as well, and we have making them in different design. All this one you are seeing now of the same design. It's just the difference is just the front cover, which is the front lid, and for this particular one as well. So among the one we made previously and we sold some are this red one. It's a little bit different to this, and this particular design as well. We make few of these and we've sold them. This is just the one we have left, and this is solid because of the material we use. It's heavy on it. So guys, those are what I need to show you. And again, here we have some. We are still trying on some mini bag as well. Mini bag. This one is student make it, like for our projects, and even those. This one and this one, a student make it for our projects, so it's not well balanced. But I think we are going to just destroy this particular one and reuse the magnetic snap, because those tiny magnets are very strong. So that's just it for now. Probably once we continue the rest, I will show you the time lapse so that you guys will be aware. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the continuation. Probably the video might not be long, but you know, I've been saying sometimes I will say the video will not be long, and the video will end up 15 minutes, 17 to 20 minutes. Don't let me say that today, so we know where we stop. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want this, let me know in the comment section down below. Even no matter where you are in the world, if you are in the US, the UK, anywhere you are, African country, we can make this and send it to you. It's quality and very durable, as you can see. Very quality. This is just the black. If you check any other color, the same thing, the way we make them. And it's going to have a hook. It's either we put a hook like this, which is the snap, or we put a ring this way. So what we discover is why we increase our measurement is this one. We want you to be able to put your AirPod inside and maybe some cash or some card with your key inside. This one only contain your AirPod, so that's the reason why we increase this. So it will come either with the hook, which is snap, or with the cycle ring. So that's just it. So as I said, if you want this any color, you can choose any color we make them in dozen, and we can even bulk make them, maybe 50, 100, 1000 pieces, and we'll send it to you no matter where you are in the world. We can ship that to you at an affordable price. That is what part of what we do on this channel. We help people to design their bag, create their bag, and send it to them. So guys, enough talking, and watch the rest of the making of these bags. Baby mini bag, looking nice. These are the one we just finished making. This snake print, snake emboss. I think this is what emboss? Different. All embossed black. Then we have this, and we still have some green to be finish up. 3 green, lemon green, and another design green. So we'll proceed with the rest of the time lapse now, and after we finish, you guys will see the outcome of all the bags. So guys, welcome back. As you can see, these are all the bag. This is the few last one we make that you guys see. So we are done with everything. So here they are, looking gorgeous, the baby bags. I just like all of them. I wish I'm a lady, I can carry bag. I would have carried this every day and I will have it in my collection just to market and display. So as you can see, we have this black. This is actually matte black. We have one that is gloss black. I think I showed you earlier. This is the, as you can see, the different. This is the gloss black and this is the matte black, and this is the gloss black. It's just one of one. We don't have this again, but the matte black we have two, and probably in few days, I think by the new year we'll be producing more of this because I discovered that people love this so much. So guys, I think this is where I will be ending this particular week update. You guys should give us a giant thumbs up, like this video, and thank you guys for watching. I think I'm going to see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year to you all.